Hi, it's Jill for Tom's Hardware. I haven't seen Chris Angelini, Tom's managing editor, for a while, which can only mean one thing. He's on to something big. Let's go check it out.
Hey Jill.
Hi Chris.
I got something cool I want to show you.
See? I knew it. This is amazing.
Yeah, this is a cool setup. We have AMD's new Radeon HD 5870 EyeFinity 6th edition card hooked up via DisplayPort to 6 Dell 22-inch monitors. Each monitor has a 1920 by 1080 resolution, giving you a total res of 5760 by 2160. It's really an impressive setup.
I have never seen anything like this. Okay, so tell me why these 6 monitors would just be great for business.
Sure, in a business productivity environment, you want to have a lot of data available to look at the same time. On one monitor, you can't do that. However, on the 6 here, you can have Outlook, Word, Excel, all these different applications on different screens and look at them at the same time.
Ooh, so okay, well, why can't you just do it on one monitor, like a big one?
Sure, well then you have a cost problem that comes into play. A single 30-inch display, at the cheapest, is going to probably run you about $1,400. But you can do all 6 of these, which are 22-inch displays, that give you a lot higher cumulative resolution for about $100 less.
I like that. Okay, so I see you have a whole bunch of business applications on each of these monitors. Can you tell me a little bit more about them in detail?
For sure, Jill. On the top left hand, we have Photoshop.
Of course.
Then on the bottom is Forex, which is a currency trading app.
And then you have Excel on 2 screens. If I wanted to do like a big project, could I do that on all 6 screens?
Absolutely. Here I've got it on 2 screens because I'm editing some charts, but if we needed access to a lot more data, you can spread that across all 6 monitors.
Fabulous. And then, of course, Microsoft Outlook calendar. Have to manage my life. And then we have some chats going on up at the top. Now, could I do something else?
Absolutely. I've got a couple of Skype screens up there right now, but you can switch that to video conferencing if you wanted, or pop up a couple of web browsers.
Oh, wonderful. Like I could look up some shopping, perhaps.
For sure.
All right, you have to tell me about the technology behind this EyeFinity 6 system. Let's start with the driver.
Sure. AMD's made this very intuitive to set up. We're already partially through the setup process here, and what's happening is we're being asked to identify each of the displays so the driver knows where everything's at. So we're going to just click on each one of these screens in series when they ask where they're at. So by the time we finish, the driver knows exactly where all 6 of the monitors are at and orients them accordingly.
Okay, well now you have to tell me about this graphics card.
Absolutely.
Okay, wow, this is impressive. I have never seen a graphics card like this. It's so unique.
That actually is a fairly special card. The 5870 EyeFinity 6th edition board has 2 gigs of memory on it, which allows it to drive 6 monitors simultaneously. The 1 gig version slows down a lot when you go to that high resolution. There's also the 6 DisplayPort outputs on the back. Those allow us to drive the 6 displays simultaneously from a single dual slot card.
Chris, you have been so informative on the EyeFinity system, but there is one more thing I have to try on the 6 monitor system. Okay, this has been amazing. The AMD EyeFinity 6 is so great. You can do it for business and games, obviously. So I'm Jill for Tom's Hardware, and I do hope to see you again soon, but I gotta go play my game, so shoo! Bye!